Lights stand right, screens on. We meet where the work lives.
You never see the extra tape on the floor. You never hear the convoys in the back. You see the moment we carry the bill. We chase the wow, then we fix the oh no. This is for the ones who hold the room steady when the plan changes and nobody cries. Behind the experience, behind the goal, it's the hands and the hearts, it's the people you may never know. We're the voices of the event industry, we're the craft and the care. Behind the experience, we build it together, we keep it fair. On Wednesday, 18 February 2026, we show up online in the same rhythm. 3 hours, real stories, keynotes that tell the truth, panels that keep it practical. Breaks the breeze, space to connect. No fluff, no front stage performance, just peers sharing what makes it work. Behind the experience, behind the glow, it's the hands and the hearts, it's the people you may never know. We're the voices of the event industry, we're the craft and the care. Behind the experience, we build it together, we keep it fair. Valentina with the Pie Network, a signal flare for the people doing the work. Liz with Club Ichi, bringing style, edge, and honesty to the room. Dahlia+Agency, turning good taste into good decisions. And Eventify, pulling the threads into one place, so the community can speak in its own voice. Francisco is on the mic, not as the main act, as the guide, keeping the flow, making space for every voice. But behind the experience, behind the goal, we don't chase credit, we seize the moment that lands and stays. We're the voices of the event industry, we're the working they are. Behind the experience, say heartbeat, many parts. Behind the experience, same heartbeat, many parts. Behind the experience, say on my 18 February 2026.